It's, it's in Hindi, it's in Gujarati, it's across the country, and it includes Divya Bhaskar. He's also been a member of the executive committee of the Editors Guild of India. He's also been a member of the National Integration Council. He spent a lot of time with the late Shri Jayaprakash Narayan in Bihar in 1974. He also actively monitored the Chambal dacoit surrender of 1972, traveling in the Chambal ravines for many months altogether. He's also authored a book on Bihar movement at Shri Jayaprakash Narayanji's behest. He was associated very closely with Shri Jayaprakash Narayan from 1972 to 1977. He's been an author, co-author of a book, Surrender of Dacoits in Chambal Valley in 1972, the history of Bihar movement in 1975. Just to briefly take you through his education, he did his journalism from Thomson Foundation in 1982. Thomson Foundation, for those of you who are not initiated into journalism, is a very respected media and journalism foundation, non-profit foundation run by one of the largest media groups in UK. He's also, before that, done a course in journalism from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. He's done his BA from the University of Indore. He's also done a diploma in electrical engineering from Shri Vaishnav Polytech. So I can go on about where he worked, but I must tell you from having interacted with him so closely that when editors become editor-in-chiefs and they get the importance that they get from the people who run this country, they sometimes forget that they're human beings too. I can tell you in his case, he hasn't forgotten that. I think the way he conducts himself, with all the humility that he conducts himself, with someone who knows probably every editor and every media owner in this country, I can say with the humility that he conducts himself, I am a big fan of his. And second, he's always punctual. He's always probably 5 minutes ahead of time, and today I beat him to time. I arrived 2-3 minutes. So he's a great human being. He's a visionary. He's an editorial and an intellectual giant. And it's been an honor and privilege to introduce you, Mr. Shravan. Thank you so much.
हमारे ट्रस्ट के मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी श्री विजय जिंदल जी से निवेदन कर रहा हूं कि श्री श्रवण गर्ग जी का सम्मान करें। श्री विजय जिंदल जी। टेक्नोलॉजी कितनी फास्ट हो गई कि इतनी देर में मुझे एसएमएस आ गया कि परिचय इतना लंबा नहीं करवाना है। आज के कार्यक्रम की अध्यक्षता कर रहे हैं श्री CS कहलौं। आप IRS ऑफिसर हैं और सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस में मेंबर रहे। हम शेयर ब्रोकर अच्छी तरह जानते हैं कि आप एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर भी थे सेबी में, और आपके कार्यकाल में ही सेबी में बहुत ज्यादा सुधार आए। मैं अपने ही मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी डॉक्टर मुनीश्वर गुप्ता से निवेदन कर रहा हूं कि श्री CS कहलौं का सम्मान करें। डॉक्टर मुनीश्वर गुप्ता।